What's up people, let's do my moisture routine for these 4-week-old mini twists. As you can see, they are a little bit frizzy and I will be only keeping these in for a couple more days before I take them out and wash. This routine is something I do every 2 to 3 days out of the week to keep my hair nice and moisturised whilst in a protective style. Today I'm doing the LCO method, which stands for leave-in, cream and oil. Starting with a water-based product, I'm using the I AM Rosemary Water. I spray this all over my hair, making sure to focus on the ends, and also like to apply this to the scalp, as with twists I'm not washing weekly, so my scalp does get a little itchy. I work this into the hair with my hands and make sure to saturate the hair pretty well. After this, I section the hair in half and go back in with my spray to make sure all of it is nice and damp. Next, I'm using a butter moisturiser. This one is by TGIN. I work this into the lengths and ends. This product has become a staple in my routine as it leaves my hair moisturised for the coming days. I would recommend this product for all porosity types as it is so creamy. Next, sealing with a grease. This is the O part to my LCO method. This is the Blue Magic Indian Hemp grease. I warm this in my fingertips first and then apply to the lengths and ends of my hair. You can use an oil here in place of the grease, but today I decided to use grease instead. Then I repeat the same thing on the section above. After this, I then repeat the same process on the other side of my head. Once this is all done, I then focus on my scalp. This is the Aveda Scalp Solutions Overnight Serum. This product is aimed at resetting and hydrating the scalp. I'm not a huge fan of using an oil in the latter part of wearing mini twists, just because I feel like my scalp is already quite oily and built up. Serums are really where it's at if you want a bit more of a refresh. I apply this all over my scalp and then massage in. Now we are all done. As I mentioned, these are 4-week-old mini twists, so I will be taking these out in the next day or so. Hope you enjoyed this moisturising routine and I will see you in the next video.